What's up, everybody? Back again for a quick tutorial on how to use the Oanda mobile app. This time we're going to go over how to add in overlays such as EMAs. And there's other ones you can add in. There's a whole list of them. A very popular one is the EMA. People have asked me how do they put that on there? How do they add multiple? So we're going to go over that today, and you'll see all the other ones you can add in there as well. So you got your app open. Select your pair, bring it up, and then along the bottom here you see charts, overlays, indicators, drawings, and you're just clicking on them. So click overlays. There's your whole list. You can scroll back and forth to look at them all. I don't use a lot of these, and a lot of professionals don't. They show you what's in the past. They show you everything that's already happened, much like the charts do. So you'll find most people, the better they get, the less indicators they have. People just throw them out there. A lot of the new people swear by them. I put them on there. I do the EMA sometimes. Just understanding the psychology behind it. Understanding a lot of people do them. They don't know anything about them. They don't know how it's calculated. They don't know what it's there for. They saw it on the internet. They're waiting for it to touch that line, and then they're going to make their move. So I make some plays knowing just that people don't know what it is, and they're expecting it to do that. Of course, money moves the market. So when a lot of people are playing indicators, usually you'll see indicators work sometimes just for that very reason. So like I said, it's open. Click EMA. It's right here, third from the left. Then you'll add the overlay. A popular one I like to, if I'm using it, I use 3 EMA lines. 10. Change color. And to add another one, you just click on it again. There you go. So close it, bring it back out, and then click Add Overlay. So I'll use 10, 15, and I'm just clicking and dragging right here on the number. Those are your periods. That's how many candles back it's averaging. So close that one out. Clicking on it again. We're gonna add another one, and 50. I've been trading for a while. Stocks, Forex, futures. If anyone's using these, the most popular numbers are these that I just put up there. You'll notice a lot of times it'll ride the 10 and 15. It'll spike up to the 50, and then it'll continue the trend. Once it crosses that, once the 10 and 15 cross the 50, you'll notice a lot of times that the trend has changed and it's headed the other direction. So I don't plan my trades off of these, but they are. If I was going to use an indicator, this is the one I look out for. So as you can see, just on this one, I'm watching the Euro US dollar, and it does. The price, the candles are staying below these lines, so you want to short it. And then let me see if we can bring it back. Try to find a good one for you. In a consolidation period, and things are moving sideways, which the Forex market is a sideways market. Things only trend 20% of the times. A lot of times it's just in a channel going sideways. But in a very clear trend, you will see the candles are above or below the EMA lines. So, try to find a good example. As you can see, it's different on these. If we were in stocks, it's a lot clearer. It's still nothing I would put 100% on, but I'm going to change my colors here. Make it a little easier to define. The 10 and 15, their averages are a little closer together. So I try to keep the colors, those two similar, so that's what's throwing me off. And let's do dark green, back 15. I'll just keep it light green. So if we're just looking right here, again, it's just not 100%, but at any one of these times, it would pull back to the EMA line, the 10 or 15. You could add to your position. You could get in if you missed it, and you'll see it just swings back up. It just keeps following the trend until you get a strong candle breaking through it. Then it pulls back to the 50. A lot of times it still bounces. Once you see the 10 and 15 cross the 50, the trend usually changes. Given it's not a consolidation period where it's just going to keep going back and forth, the trend usually changes and you'll start riding it the other direction. So you'll want to start shorting it. So if you got in right here, you'll see the 10 and 15 cross the 50. You'll start to see a lot of candles going down. It pulled back to the 10 and 15 and then went down some more. So, and then just to close that, get that menu off, just click overlays again, brings your chart back. And there you have it. Very simple, very quick. That's how to add overlays to it. All your indicators, your drawing tools, all the very same steps as that. You just bring it up, select what you want, and then draw it on your chart. It's super easy. Again, if you have anything specific you want to see me do, you have any questions, comment down below. I'll put an email in the description. Email me and ask me any questions. I'll make a video just for that and try to help everybody out. Remember, if you like the video, please show it. Hit the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. Hit that little bell. And until the next video, good luck with all your trades and hope everyone has a green week.